right? That is why we are live here. So before going to the topic, let me introduce myself. This is Leena Maharana, your English teacher. So students, you know what is the best thing about this class today? Yes, singing rhymes. That is your favorite one. You all are fond of singing, right or not? That's why let us start this English class from singing and doing some actions. Okay? So today students, we will sing two rhymes. Worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2 from your Utthan English practice book. This is a book, you all have got this book, right or not? So, from this book, we will sing those poems. So, take out your book now, page number 1, worksheet number 1. This page we are going to read today. Got it? So, students, this is a very simple and very beautiful rhyme and very easy to remember also. Okay, you must have known to this song even. So, let us write this poem for you, then I will read it, then we will sing with rhythm and with action. Okay, students? Now, let me write it for you. So, the poem is yes, Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling lies? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. So, this is the text. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. So, let us sing with rhythm, right? And with action also. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. So, this is the rhyme. Very simple, right or not? Once again. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. So, this is your worksheet number 1. So, students, very beautiful rhyme. So, let us do some activities, small activities based on this poem. Okay, got it? What are the activities? They are very simple and easy to do also. So let me write your activity here. Activity number 1. You have to match columns. Okay, students? You know match. Match means milan kariba odiyare. So let us match the columns. In the first column, we will write options like Johnny, Johnny. Yes, students? Then telling lies. Yes, students? Then eating, then open ear. Okay students, this is your first column. In the second column we will write right students. So students, take out your copy and pen and write down while I am writing in the board here. Okay, then you have to be easy for matching. So what are the options? Johnny, Johnny. Telling lies. Okay, eating, open ear. And this side, sugar, right? Sugar, mouth, yes, papa, no, papa. So let us match. Johnny, Johnny, what will be the correct answer to match? Johnny, Johnny, yes. This one, right? Yes, papa. So Johnny, Johnny to match, yes, papa. Did you did that? Then telling lies. Telling lies, mouth or sugar or no, papa? What is the correct option? Yes. Telling lies, this one. No, papa. Got it? Then eating. Eating, mouth or sugar? Yes. Sugar, eating sugar. Then open your, the last one. Open your mouth. So let us match it. Open your mouth. Got it? This is your activity number 1. Very easy to match. Yes or no? Let us do the second activity based on this poem. The activity number 2. So students, here we will do fill in the blanks. Okay students, this time also you have to write down while I am writing on the board. Telling dash. Open your dash. Eating dash. Very easy to do, right or not? Yes friends? Then telling, what you have to write here? What is the correct answer? Telling? Yes. Lies. And what is the spelling? Telling lies. L-I-E-S. Telling lies. Open your what? This one. What is this? Our mouth. Mouth, right? So open your mouth. Write down the spelling. M-O-U-T-H. Open your mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Okay. Now eating. Eating. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar, right? So telling lies, open your mouth, eating sugar. Got it students? This is your activity number 2. Now students, look at your book, page number 2. This one, look at this page. Here is also an activity is given, right or not? Fill up the blanks of the following rhyme like the above. Like this poem, we have to fill in the blanks and we can sing it also later, okay? So, look at this page. Here, this is Munni. Yes, this baby is called Munni and this is her mama. So, Munni and mama are talking with each other. So let us know what they are talking. So here is written Munni Munni. Yes, Munni Munni, and you have to write, what you have to write here? Mama or Papa? Yes, because this is her mama, right? So Munni Munni, yes mama, eating honey. Look at this bottle. This is a bottle of honey. Honey means mohu, right? Honey. So eating honey. Then what you have to fill here? Eating honey? No mama. You have to write no mama. Telling lies. Again a question. Telling lies? Then you have to write, what you have to write here? No mama. Yes or no? Then open your mouth. Then what Muni have to do? Open her mouth. Ha ha ha. Yes, you have to write here. Ha ha ha. So after feeling this poem, let us sing it once. Okay? Munni Munni, yes mama. Eating honey, no mama. Telling lies, no mama. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. So let us sing with action. Munni Munni, yes mama. Eating honey, no mama. Telling lies, no mama. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Munni Munni, yes mama. Eating honey, no mama. Telling lies, no mama. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Right? Very beautiful poem. Yes or no? So students, can we create our own rhyme? Creating means tiyari kariba ba likhiba. Can we create our own rhymes like Munni Munni and Johnny Johnny? Yes, let us try once. Okay. Let me write down here the words. This is your activity number 3. So, in place of Johnny or Munni, whatever, in place of Johnny, can we write sweetie or baby? Yes, students. In place of Papa, can we write Mama or sister? Yes, students. Got it? Now, in place of sugar, okay, sugar, can we write chocolate? Or can we write ice cream? Your favorite ones, right? Ice cream. Right, students? So let us do a rhyme using these words. Can you do that? Yes. So listen to me first, then sing with me. Okay. By using sweetie, mama and chocolate. Okay. Sweetie, sweetie, yes mama. Eating chocolate, no mama. Telling lies, no mama. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Let's sing once again. Sweetie, sweetie, with action, okay? Sweetie, sweetie, yes mama. Eating chocolate, no mama. Telling lies, no mama. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. So, by using baby, sister and ice cream, okay? Baby, baby, yes sister. Eating ice cream, no sister. Telling lies, no sister. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Baby, baby, yes sister. With action. Baby, baby, yes sister. Eating ice cream, no sister. Telling lies, no sister. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Baby, baby, yes sister. Eating ice cream, no sister. Telling lies, no sister. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Right, students? So, did you enjoy these rhymes? Okay, students, this is all about your worksheet number 1. Let us move to worksheet number 2. So, let me rub the board. And you know students, that is also an action song. You will learn many activities from that poem. Okay students? So, worksheet number 2, action song. And what is the title, you know students? This is the way. Okay students, this is the way. Now students, before going to the poem, let me know one thing. When you wake up from sleep early in the morning every day, what are the things you do? In early morning माने पिले कौन कहलो? सकाळ सकाळ. In early morning, when you wake up from your sleep, what are the things you do first? Yes. First of all, we wash our face with water, right or not? We wash our face. Then what we do? We brush our teeth. Then we take our bath. And we do many more activities such as taking bath, drinking milk, go to the school, playing with friends. Yes, these are all activities. Different kinds of activities we do in the early morning. So this poem is based on early morning activities. Right students? So let me write down this poem for you. Then we will read the text. Then we will sing with rhythm. Then we will sing with proper intonation. Intonation माने आवृत्ति करिवार शैली. आमे poem को केमती आवृत्ति करूचे, that is called intonation. And with action. Yes. Then worksheet number 2. Let me write it down for you first. This is the way we wash our face. This is written 2 times, but I am writing once. We wash our face so early in the morning. Okay students? The second stanza. This is the way we brush our teeth. We brush our teeth so early in the morning. And the last stanza is, this is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. Got it students? This is your rhyme, yes? So this is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the text. Let us sing without any action. Without any action. This is the way we wash our face. We wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair. We comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth so early in the morning. While I sing this one first, right? But now we will do with action and properly, okay? Then we will do with objects, okay students? This is the way we wash our face, we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, we wash our face so early in the morning. Now students, look at this one. What is this? This is a brush and this one a comb. C-O-M-B, comb. We pronounce it comb, right? So, first of all, this is the way we wash our face, we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, we comb our hair so early in the morning. Do you like the poem, students? So let us do one or two activities based on this poem. So activity number 1, in activity number 1, let us match something. Brush your, comb your, take your, wear your, sanitize your, and wash your. In the second column, write down okay students. Then brush your what? We brush our teeth, right? So match it here. Brush your teeth. Comb your, what do we comb? We comb our hair. So comb your hair. Then take your, I'm not going to tell the answer now. Okay, you have to do it on your own. I will just discuss here. Take your, yes, bath. Wear your, what will the answer? Look at this word. M-A-S-K, mask. Everybody uses in these days or not? This is COVID-19 time, right or not? That is why we wear mask. So wear your mask. Then what we have to do? Sanitize your, we have to sanitize our hands. Yes, sanitize your hands every day, students. Then wash your face. Do it on your own. Okay. Now students, can we do one more activity from your book? Look at here. Activity number 1 from your book, matching actions with pictures. Yes or no? So here are the options. Wash your, brush your teeth, comb your hair, reading book, watching TV. Yes? Wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, reading book, watching TV. And these are the pictures. Yes? So wash your, which one is the correct picture? This one, right? You can recognize. तुम्हें जानी परिबो. Wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, reading book, watching TV. Yes, this is your homework, students. Do it on your own. So, a very small activity. You know, students, in this rhymes time, why we are doing all these activities? In this way, you will remember easily sentences and words and spellings. Right, students? So now unjumble few words. Activity number 3, 2 was given in a book. So activity number 3, unjumble. Unjumble words. Unjumble means सजाड़िबा असजड़ा है कि अच्छी किसी जिनस ताको सजाड़ी के लिखिबा जस्ट लाइक right students, look at here, AWSH. This spelling is incorrect, right? But we have read a correct word in your rhymes, your note. So what will the correct word of AWSH? This is wash, WASH. Like that, EFAC. What is this? Yes, you are right. Face. FACE. And this one OCMB. What is this? COMB. And this one ABTH. Bath. So students, did you enjoy the activities? Okay. Now I have an interesting activity for you. Like the previous one. Previous means Purba. So, can we create our own rhymes like this? We do many more activities in early morning. So, can we add a few words here? So, do that. You just remember, okay? This is the way we wake up, we wake up so early in the morning. This is the way we take our bath, we take our bath so early in the morning. This is the way we eat our breakfast, we eat our breakfast so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we wear our shoes, we wear our shoes so early in the morning. This is the way we drink our milk, we drink our milk so early in the morning. This is the way we wave our hands, we wave our hands when we say goodbye, when we say goodbye, when we say goodbye. I hope students you all enjoyed the rhymes and all activities. And this is all about your today's class. See you in the next class. Bye for now. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. And we will see you again in the next class.